In this lesson, we're going to review polygons versus quadrilaterals. Okay, so polygons versus quadrilaterals. So if we review the definition of a polygon is a closed two-dimensional shape with straight sides. And here are a bunch of polygons. Here's a triangle. It has three sides, three angles, and the interior angles add to 180 degrees. Here's a pentagon. Five sides, five vertices, and that means five angles, and the interior angles add to 540 degrees. Here's a hexagon. This has six sides, six vertices, so six angles, and the interior angles add to 720 degrees. So now let's take a look at quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral is a polygon with exactly four sides and four angles. And here are examples of quadrilaterals. A square has four sides, four angles, and the interior angles add to 360. A rectangle has the same properties, four sides, four angles, and the interiors add to 360. Rhombus has the same. Parallelogram also has the same. Trapezoid also has the same. Four sides, four angles. Interior angles add to 360. So if we put a circle around all the polygons includes all the quadrilaterals. But quadrilaterals are a subset of polygons with their own individual properties. So the distinction, while all quadrilaterals are polygons, not all polygons are quadrilaterals because not all polygons have four sides. Okay, so that's the distinction. And one more thing important that I should review with you is that a circle is not a polygon. It has no straight sides. So the main characteristic of a polygon is the straight sides. All of these have straight sides. This does not. Okay, so and that's the end of the lesson. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. As well, take a look at the description. There's links to other videos of mine that are similar to this. As well, you could download the ebook. There's a link in the description to the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson in it, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. There's actually a link in the ebook that'll take you right to this lesson. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.